Though, with more tri-state healthcare workers getting vaccinated against COVID-19. St. Elizabeth Healthcare in northern Kentucky received its shipment of COVID-19 vaccines today, 975 doses in all. And UC's West Chester Hospital in Butler County also started administering vaccines to its medical staff today as well. WCPO 9 News reporter Courtney Francisco has an insider's perspective on the process that brought us to this point in the pandemic.
The first round of high-risk healthcare workers are getting the COVID-19 vaccine this week, and local doctors, researchers were a part of this process, and they're explaining what's next. We are all inching closer to being able to get a COVID-19 vaccine.
We're working on second-generation vaccines already.
Tim Schroeder is a medical scientist and the founder of the Covington-based pharmaceutical research company CTI. His company is overseeing more than 30 COVID-19 studies around the world.
We've got 4 or 5 new vaccine studies that we're actually going to be launching after the first of the year.
Right now, high-risk healthcare workers are getting the Pfizer vaccine, and in the coming days, Moderna's vaccine also will be available to them. University of Cincinnati Medical Center Dr. Carl Fichtenbaum predicts 4 vaccines will be available by February.
There will be lots of people getting vaccine, and it's going to leak out to the average folks probably sometime in January.
He hopes that will relieve overwhelmed hospitals. But if the words emergency use authorization make you nervous, researchers say the Food and Drug Administration still has to ensure the reward outweighs the side effects before doctors give you the vaccine.
I can certainly understand why people might be concerned or might be asking questions of how safe are these vaccines. But just to make sure people understand, the steps are being followed. The rigor of investigation is there.
Coming up at 6, researchers discuss how big of a role vaccines will play in getting us back to some sort of normalcy. Reporting live in Mount Adams, Courtney Francisco, WCPO 9 News.